So she loves school. That is the one thing that, again, I only compare her to myself. I don't compare her to any other child, which we used to hate, apparently, when we were like, oh God, we have to go to school today. I remember my times. And if I have to tell her that I'm not going to send you to school today as a part of punishment, like she literally cries out that I have to go to school. You can't do that to me. You take anything else from me. You take my tablet away. You take everything. You take my playtime away. But you cannot take this away from me. So that is answer enough. She loves everything about her school. In fact, there was a talk in between where I was like, you want me to change your school? She's like, she had tears welling up her eyes. Like, I have come this far, you can't do that to me. So you can see the attachment with the school that she has with the teachers and with the colleagues or with the fellow students. She is really happy. I will have really no word for that as well.
With my kid is that whatever she's learning is quite thorough and she's questioning a lot of things. She comes home and she asks me about water wastage, why are we doing this, we should be doing this. She's telling me percentage of oxygen in the air. So those kind of things I thought she would not know, but she knows. And so that is a very surprising factor for me. And whenever so any questions I ask, she has the answer. She's understood the topic that she's learned in school.
Yes.
So that is a big achievement.
Yes.
It is just not a book learning. When we were growing up, it was more about whatever chapter you are reading, you are mugging it up, you are giving exams. But this will stay with them for life.
Yeah.
And that is what. And the topics even that you guys have taken is very current, very related.
Yeah.
Like if you see the water, the pollution, it is so important for these kids to know. So when they grow up, they have that knowledge. So whatever we or our generation or the back generation
Yeah.
done,
We used to be just receiver in the classroom. We would just sit and look around and the teacher is teaching. But with the concept of holistic learning, I feel they are contributing. They are listening, they are hearing, they are seeing, they are doing everything and they are analyzing themselves the whole thing, the whole concept, and then they're delivering it to their teammates, which actually creates teamwork, which teaches them how to take care of each other, teaches them to be empathetic, teaches them to be take care of the work done, not done, the responsibility part. They're becoming more responsible, and also they in future they will be good leaders. Because they are learning to be leaders in their table. They are leaders. They are teaching each other, which I feel that somewhere they will be better empathetic in future.